Hey guys, Junaid from Meninfluencer here. Hope you look good, feel good and are ready to prosper, because in this video I'd like to go over a massage gun. So around a week ago I received the Amazon Prime package with the massage gun of Opove, and ever since I received the massage gun I've been constantly using it, and therefore in this video I'd like to go over my experience. But before I start, if you're someone that is new to this channel and would love to see more content like this, please consider to hit the subscribe button and help your brother out, because I'm aiming for 10k subscribers, and therefore by you subscribing you really help the channel out. Anyways, with that said, let's jump into the video. So the muscle mass massage gun that I received was this Opove M3 Pro in black. They've got over 9,000 reviews, and looking at the comments and feedback, most of it is positive. So I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. And when it comes to the product, I received it very quickly, and I received it in an Amazon box. After opening the Amazon box, you get an Opove box. And then after opening the Opove box, you receive the massage gun kit. I must admit that the kit where the product is in looks very premium. The kit itself also has a logo on it. But then after opening the kit, you see the product and all of its tools. So I received the Opove M3 Pro in black, the charging cables, another little kit with the Opove logo on it. And in the kit itself, you receive 5 heads for your whole body massage. The kit is quite lightweight and well packed in my opinion. You also receive a letter where it says, "Thanks for choosing us." And on the back of the letter it says, "Installing muscles, please wait. Happy burpees to you." And inside of the envelope you get an instruction manual and a trigger point therapy for myofascial pain. The way you use this massage gun is very easy. The first thing you do is to put on one of those heads. Then after that you turn on the button, and after turning on the button you see a green light. And once you see the green light, you can press on the power button and this will start the machine. They provide manual and auto mode functions to meet your different massage requirements. The highest speed mode is 3300 RPM, and at this rate it's still very quiet. And I'll show you how it sounds like after using it on my body. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this product on now and use it on my body, and then you can see how it looks like and how it sounds like. This product did do wonders, especially after not being able to go to the gym for quite a long time. And when it comes to the different heads you receive with this product, you can use them at different times if you want to tackle a particular muscle area from a different angle and a different intensity. Alright, so now I would like to go over my results and opinion after using a massage gun for over a week. Since I'm getting back into the gym and I'm going around 6 times a week, I've definitely felt that my muscles were extremely tense, which obviously is normal. However, regardless of that, after I started to use this massage gun, I definitely felt like that my muscles were less tense, and I also felt like that the massage gun provided a lot of relaxation. Because when it comes to using your hands for relaxation, you obviously can't go as intense and as deep as a massage gun, because a massage gun can push deep into your muscle tissue, and this puts your muscles more at ease. Another great thing is that I've been able to target different points in my body, which allow me to get rid of some of that pain. This Opove M3 in black definitely has a lot of strong power in it, and I do actually recommend it. It's one of the better massage guns that you can find on Amazon, and therefore I have a link down below to the website and the Amazon link. And that pretty much sums it up for this video. I hope you found the information useful. If you did, please consider to hit the subscribe button and help your brother out, because I'm aiming for 10k subscribers, and therefore by you subscribing you really help the channel out. And please let me know your thoughts when it comes to a massage gun in the comments. Is it something that you've used before, or is it something that you feel like you don't need at all? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.